Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amazing Prosper. So I want to say a big thank you to you guys for watching my video all this while. Thank you for the new subscribers. Thank you for the returning subscriber if you are one. I really appreciate your loves. I really appreciate the comment and everything. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys my Fibonacci trading strategy, how I use Fibonacci in my own style, how I use it, my approach to Fibonacci and every other thing. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing. As I always say, turn the bell notification and like seriously, like and comment what you learned from this video. If you want me to do anything for you, please don't hesitate to drop a comment. I will reply definitely.
So guys, welcome to the chart. This is the chart. So I'll be using GDP USD to teach you guys the Fibonacci level, and also use GDP JPY, which is the pair that I'm trading currently, to show you guys how to also work on that pair too. So but let's first know what Fibonacci retracement level are from Baby Pips. Yeah, Baby Pips is also a tool that you can use to learn forex if you're a newbie. Yeah, this is where some of us got the first knowledge before we find a mentor that we like to teach us forex trading. Yeah, so Baby Pips helps newbies to understand the basics on forex trading. Yeah, you can also learn and also advance with Baby Pips if you're a fast learner or if you don't want to pay for any mentorship. Yeah, Baby Pips is also good. Let's go on how to use Fibonacci retracement. Okay, you can just come here and read all these things. So let me read a little of them. Let's talk about Fibonacci retracement level. Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal line that indicates the possible support and resistance level where price could potentially reverse direction. The first thing you could know about the Fibonacci tools is that it works best when the market is trending. The idea is to grow long or go long. So when you say grow long in forex trading, it means buy or buy. That's why they are showing this buy. On a retracement at a Fibonacci support level, when the market is trending up, and to go short. Whenever you hear a word short on forex trading, it means they want to sell, or sell. On a retracement level, on a retracement at a Fibonacci retracement at a Fibonacci resistance level, when the market is trending down, the theory is that price begins a new trend direction. The price will retrace or return pathway back to a previous price level before resuming in the direction of its trend. So finding Fibonacci retracement levels, in order to find or to just come for me to read all these things, I think it is going to take a long while. So not to make this video to be long, so that we can go on to other things that we are doing. So I just want to share with you guys how I use my own Fibonacci retracement level. You can see here. So you can see uptrend. It always starts from the left to the right. Yeah, from the left to the right. Yeah, how to plot a Fibonacci retracement level by clicking on the swing low at you see. Okay, so let me teach you guys how I do my on the chart. Yeah, so as I said earlier, that I'm going to be using GDP USD. Yeah, so this is 1 hour time frame. Fibonacci retracement level works on every time frame. It depends on which time frame that you choose to use. Yeah, so let's use 4 hour. Let me show you guys how it works here. Yeah, so this is the chart that I'm going to be using to share you guys how it works. So what I do, if the market is trending low, remember if the market is trending low, so you have to use it to know the possible support zone where you're going to wait for the market to get in. So the Fibonacci retracement level, how to get it is from this third place, the third tools. If you click on it, you can right click. You can right click on it, then you can see the fib retracement, which is the first one. That's the one you will use. So once you click on it, you start from the left, then you drag it to the right side. Yeah, so let's check where this market retrace on 38.2. Yeah, this is where the market retrace. So Fibonacci retracement level, I don't know how your own works. I don't know how your own is showing on your own chart, but my own is showing 38.2. So the Fibonacci level that we have is 0.00, 0.23.6, 0.38.2, 0.50.0, 0.6. Okay, wait, let me drag it out and so that you guys may see it. 0.61.8, 0.78.6, but for me I have already edited it, so it's not showing me the zero. So what I'm having here is 0.00, 23.6, 23.60%, 38.20%, 50.00%, and 61.80%, 78. Just that's how I edited my own. So if you want to edit your own, you can just come over here, you can click here, then visibility, then you edit it the way you want it to look like. Yeah, style. Okay, this is the style. So you have to anyhow you want to do it, you do yours. You can take a snapshot how I did mine. So very pretty simple, but you can also leave it the way it is default. It also works that way because it's the same thing. Yeah. So pretty simple how to use it. As I said, from the left to the right, if it's coming from low, if it's coming from down, from the top, if it's a down trend, from the top to the down, which is you want to know where the retracement will happen, then you get in. So let's use this trending market right here, uptrend for example. Yeah, you see from here, then you drag it to somewhere here. So far that I've traded GU, what the levels that I know that this retracement level happen, this Fibonacci retracement always happen is on 50.0, 38.6, and 61.8. 61.8 is a golden level, like a golden level that it always, whenever the market reach on 61.8 or 0.61.8, the market always obey that zone. Yeah, but you can see at this case, you can see where the market reach at 50.0. We can equally say that this is 50.0, but remember that this is a zone, not actually a straight line. Yeah, so people just put a straight line, maybe the horizontal line there. Once they put it there, once they put it at the 50.0, but for me, I also use the horizontal line, but I always have that in back of I always have this in back of my mind that it is a zone, not just a line, a straight line. So it is a zone that the market always obeys. So you can see that the market finds support at 50.0, or you can equally say it at 8.2, but just a zone. Yeah, so let's check other one. So the next one that you have to do if you want to check if the next move, yeah, so after this place was a low, so the next low was this place that they find resistance. So let's pick the Fibonacci level again and see where the level again that I find resistance. Remember, this is 4 hour time frame. So look at the next zone. The next zone is that 8.2. Yeah, this is the place that I find resistance again, that 8.2. So let's find another one. Remember, this place has become a zone. So you can equally use it to, maybe when the market is retracing in a big time, you want to know, okay, when is it going to find resistance zone, like this big retracement. So if this big retracement, how I do mine is this: I will drag it from here and reach the highest top of the market if the market is coming down, to know where is it going to find that retracement level. Yeah, like if the market is coming down right here, like from here, it hasn't gotten to this low, and I want to know which place will I be looking at. So you can see where the market find resistance zone at that 8.2. This is a key zone here on GU. You can equally see that 8.2 holds on GU on 4-hour time frame. So if you want to use Fibonacci level, this is how you are going to be using it. Yeah, so I want to show you guys something on a downtrend, like when the market is coming down. Yeah, let's find out how. Hold on, pretty simple. Hold on. I want the candle to be clearer. I don't know how it's been there. Okay. So, and this Fibonacci level, you can also use trend line and also resistance and support zone to find out, maybe if you are trading resistance and support, or demand and supply zone, anyone that you are trading, to find out how it's working. So this is a downward move. So let's find where the market is finding support before it moves, the key zone that is working. Yeah. So you take your Fibonacci level, maybe you start from here and you want to know where this retracement level is going to end, then you plot it. Okay, this one retrace back almost 61, okay, almost 78.6, right? Yeah, 78.6%. But let's say this is the highest high, which is here. Maybe you are waiting, you plot it here, you are waiting for the retracement, which is this big one. So it happened on the 50.0. All the whole total move, the retracement happened here before it reverse and it start coming down. Yeah. So let's check another one again. Let's see. Maybe from here, okay, after this move, remember here was a support zone that we used before. So let's see which other level that it obeyed before when it was retracing. Sorry, from here. So let's plot it here. Let's see. But you can see that 8.2, it obeyed at 8.2. At 8.2 before moving. Remember, it's a zone, as I said. It's a zone. Yeah, that 8.2. So if you're waiting on this, that means what this thing shows is that 8.2 always holds on GU. Yeah. So I'm also learning from teaching all these things right now. Yeah, so you can see that 8.2 also holds on GU. So let's see this one, the last one before I go over to GJ. Yeah. So you can see, let's use this place as the highest high. Remember, from the left to the right, yeah, 50.0, that was where it has a double support. From here, from this retracement, yeah, it traced 50% of the move, 50%, 50.0. Yeah, you can see this is where it had the highest support. Double top before it pushed down. 50.0. You can see 50.0, that was where it had the highest support. Double top, yeah, from this top to here, 50.0. So let's go over to GJ to see how it is moving on GJ. Yeah, so this is GJ, and this is the chart that I'm trading right now. So let me bring out the fresh chart. Sorry guys, network. Yeah, I'm also equally learning as I'm teaching, as I said earlier. So you have to understand that this forex market is dynamic. Yeah, sometimes the one that you think that is the one working may not be the one working. Yeah, may change. Yeah, for some time it may change and it will still come back and start working. So you have to be flexible when you are trading the forex market. Yeah, so a quick one, let me delete everything that is here. Yeah, so a quick one, you can see this market is trending from here. Can we see any downward move? Okay, let's use we can use this. Okay, let's first check where the market returns on this one. But so far that I've backtest GJ, I found that is that 8.2 again obeys. Yeah, that 8.2. Did you see that 8.2 obeys? That 8 and 50 always work on GJ very, very well. Yeah, you see that 8.2, that was where here. You can see here. That it also worked here very perfectly. So let's drag it up again. Let's use the support that it gave us as a current support now to check from here to this up again. Let's see other place that to this highest up. So where again that 8.2 between that 8 and 50. Yeah, this a kind of retracement. Yeah, this kind of, you can call this overextension, but between that at 8.50, this is always where GJ always finds support. So let's use this one too as the current support again. This double bottom as the current support. Let's see where it finds support again here. Oh wow, this is great. 61.8. 61.8. They had the double support before it started moving aggressively to the upside. Yeah, so let's look for a downward move here. Yeah, very simple. Okay, let's use this guy as a downward move. Remember, from the highest top to Okay, let's say you use this one and you want to know where, okay, the total move. Let's find out this retracement, this big retracement now, where it finds support. Yeah, in between 28.30, there is closer. As I said, maybe you use horizontal line and you mapped out this guy that 8.2, and you are waiting. You have to know that it's a zone. Yeah, it's a zone. So once you see it is closer there and it's showing this kind of weak rejection, and maybe you are using some confluences layer. Look at this, is psychology level. There's a psychology level close by here. Okay, let's use this guy so that you guys, there's a psychology level close by here. There's a psychology level close by here. You see clearly on the psychology level. So that is not Fibonacci level for me is I call it a supporting confluence. Yeah, I don't check it, I don't use it regularly because I have my trend line. I have some other confluences that I use majorly, a chart pattern, trend lines, and psychology levels to find out where I would get in, I would get out. So, but whenever maybe I'm confused about what is really happening, I can apply Fibonacci level to find out, to help my confluences and help me get in. You can see with this kind of trade, there is a psychology level nearby. I know there is also going to be a trend line somewhere here. I'm going to having a trend line somewhere here. Yeah, I'm going to be having a trend line somewhere here. Clear. That means this one, 2, 3. This, if this particular trade now, if I was here, I would get in because it's almost 4 over or 3/4 here confluences for me, because I will see this thing. Even a chart pattern 1, 2. This is an overextension of a chart pattern of a W. Yeah, in a W we have something like this. Wait, let me show you guys. In a W we have something like this sometimes. Okay, let's use this one. We have something like this sometimes in a W format. We have something like this in a W format. We have something like this in a W format, which is the chart pattern that I'm sharing with you guys. The chart pattern that I usually use is double top and double bottom. Yeah, you can equally call it M and W. So this is how I trade with the Fibonacci level on daily basis whenever I'm using them. So thank you so much for watching. God bless you.
Yeah. So what's up? How do you see the video? I hope you like the video. So I just want to say this is my approach. Yeah, this is my personal approach, how I approach my Fibonacci retracement tools. This is how I use it on my own time, or like on my own trading and every other thing. So if you really want to use this, remember, this is not a financial advice. Just use it the way you feel like or best. Remember, trading is a personal approach. No matter who you have learned forex from, you have to do it your way. Yeah, because the way I will make money from the forex may not be the way you will make money from forex. So, but as long as we all what we are doing is fight against poverty. I don't care if my approach are different from your approach. As long as it's working for me, that's fine. So the word of the day today is believe in yourself. Yeah, no matter what is happening, no matter the noise in the world, always believe in yourself. Listen to your own inner voice. Listen to that inner voice that is saying something to you. That inner voice, that teeny voice. Listen to it. Work with that voice. I promise you that you are going to turn out successful, no matter what you are doing and no matter where you find yourself. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you are new here, please consider subscribing, turn your bell notification, and if you're a returning subscriber, I really appreciate you guys. You are the real OG. I love you. Drop a comment, like this video. See you in the next video. God bless.